I'm Jennifer from A Live Little, and I'm here in our Canton store today, and we are talking about chicken because we're making this delicious peach chicken with our peach white balsamic vinegar. Today, the day we're filming, actually happens to be the first day of summer, and peaches are synonymous with summer, and our white peach balsamic has a huge following here in the store, so we thought we'd whip up a really quick dish that you can make for dinner using our peach white balsamic with some chicken. So right now I've been sauteing some chicken breast, boneless chicken breast, in some of our rhubarb olive oil for about 5 minutes. And they're a little brown, they're not quite done yet, but that's okay. We're going to take them out, we're going to make our quick sauce and have a really great meal. And this is also really good when it's cold. So we're going to take this out. Okay, and now in our pan, I'm going to just turn up the heat a little, and we've got a little bit of chicken stock I'm going to add, and some white wine. I'm going to let this kind of go for a moment. Turn that up, let it go, and then some garlic, of course. And then the other thing I love in this dish is tarragon. Tarragon has a really unique flavor and it works really well with peaches. So I took some fresh tarragon out of my herb garden today and chopped that up. And there's a little bit of chive in there as well. You don't need to do that, but it just looks really pretty and will add a really unique flavor. So we keep going with that, and we're going to add our peaches. And now you need about 5 minutes, okay, for the peaches to kind of cook down enough to break down so they're kind of still together but cooked and soft. And then we're also going to add our peach white balsamic vinegar. Really delicious. So we're going to let this cook down. And when it's getting close to being cooked down, we're going to put the chicken back in just to finish off the chicken, because the chicken probably needs about 5 more minutes. So when that's all done, we're going to come back and show you the finished product. See you soon. Hi, okay, so I'm back and our chicken is ready to go. It looks beautiful. The colors of the peaches and the green from the tarragon really looks nice. So we're just going to put it on a plate that people can help themselves from at some point here in the store. And my suggestion would be to serve this with some green bamboo jade rice, which of course we have here at the store. There's probably other places you can find it. It's got a real beautiful green color to it, and when you cook it, it turns even a little bit more green, and it's just beautiful contrast with the peaches and then the white flesh of the chicken. So if you're not a peach fan, we could do a lemon. You could do a lemon chicken with this. We have a delicious lemon white balsamic. We have an orange balsamic. We also have a pineapple, which would be great. You could use all the fruits in the same manner and do kind of a pineapple chicken. And I really think the tarragon would work really wonderful with all of that too. So we've got a lot of nice sauce, and if you have some green bamboo jade rice with the sauce, just sop it all up. Here we go. So here is our peach white balsamic and chicken with tarragon. I hope you try it and enjoy.